Wow!
Woohoo! Awesome!
Do you remember way last fall when I was only just this tall? Now look at me, I'm up to here. My head is about this year. In fact, you think I'm really great. That's why I get to graduate.
Yeah!
Guys, pay attention.